In this video, I will show you how you can fix the microphone problems on your iPad Air. Now to do that, first of all, just remove any case which you might have applied on your iPad, because sometimes some iPad cases might block the microphone of your iPad. So make sure you remove the case, and after that, just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just follow the next method. For that, just open the control center on your iPad, then go to the connection section. And from here, just turn off Bluetooth. Now, sometimes when Bluetooth is enabled on your iPad might automatically connect to your Bluetooth headphones, and this might be why the microphones on your iPad are not working. After you've done that, now just perform a force restart on your iPad. To do that, just grab your iPad and press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPad until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. And after the force restart process is completed, then just go to your home screen and check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then in that case, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Privacy and Security. From here, just scroll down and tap on Microphone. Over here, you will find a list of all the apps which are using the microphone of your iPad. So from here, just enable the toggle for the app with which you want to use the microphone. For example, if you want to use the microphone of your iPad while you're in a Zoom meeting, so make sure you enable the toggle for Zoom. But if your preferred app is not available in this list, then just go to your home screen and open that app. For an example, let's say if it is YouTube, then go to the section where it requires the microphone access. For example, tap on the microphone icon, and as you can see, this app is asking for the access to the microphone. Now for an example, let's say if you do not find this notification over here, then in that case, just go to your home screen and go back to the Settings app, and you will find that app in this list. Just enable the toggle for the microphone over here. But if this also did not work, then under Settings, just tap on General. And under the General Settings, just tap on Transfer or Reset iPad. Then tap on Reset, and from here just select Reset All Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN and tap on Reset. And by doing that, you will not delete any data of your iPad. You will just reset all the settings of your iPad in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. But if this also did not work, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPad. Just take your iPad to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix the microphone problem on your iPad Air. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.